Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm going to talk about EIGRP, which is a distance factor routing protocol and is a Cisco repository. It uses a dual algorithm and which is stands for diffusing update algorithm. Why it's so hard for me to talk. And so yeah, next I want to talk about the characteristic of EIGRP. So the first one is, of course, the distance factor routing. It uses distance factor routing protocol like hybrid, and it uses a multi-case or unique case to exchange information using port 88. The administrative distance is 90. It supports IPv6. And what else? Its classless routing protocol, VLSM, or CIDR. It's rich metric, free 100% free loops, and it's very very fast convergence, and equal and unequal and load balance, or equal and unequal load balance. Why is named EIGRP? Because EIGRP is a advanced distance factor routing protocol, or which is hybrid routing protocol. Because EIGRP, it's not like RIP, which is doesn't have neighbor. What is it? Vulnerable, vulnerable to loops, product updates, and simple metric, which is hop count. And Cisco also have three oh yeah. So Cisco also give a feature to what is it? Cisco added a new feature to the new link state, so it's faster. It can solve all the problem on RIP. Because of that, there are three routing tables. The first one is EIGRP neighbor table, which is lists all of the directly connected neighbor, next hop router, and interface. The secondly is EIGRP topology table, which is listed all of the table topology that already learned from the EIGRP neighbor and destination and metric. The third one is routing table, which is it has the best route for EIGRP topology table, and the honorable mention is successor and visible successor. So it's also contained. Successor is like it will choose the best path for the EIGRP, and the visible successor it will give you the what is it the backup route for the successor. If the successor down, then it will use the visible successor. and I will talk about the hello packet for EIGRP. So EIGRP have about 6 hello packet, which is the first one is hello. Hello is it's for discovering and recovery the neighbor for agency 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 the if it's already if it's already agency it will what is it uh, it will exchange routing protocol routing information and it will save it on the topology table best path from topology table the and save the routing table and it's reliable. The second one is update packet, which is information routing. It can send by unicast or multicast, and it's reliable. The third one is query, which is the first one is it will send if there is a update, like for example the routing table has gone, and the fourth one is reply packet, which is will respond if the query packet done, and the ACK packet it will send by unicase and it will send if it's already what is it claim like what did diterima, and the sixth one is no auto summary. Okay, after all that, the basic EIGRP topology, not topology, but the basic EIGRP. And now I will do the configuration. As the first one is this is the topology, which are 1, 2, and 3. The first thing you need to do is open router 1. This is if you are wondering how to give a name, just do this. Just O and R1, which is O is stands for host name. Okay. After that, now we need to open the interface and no sh to pick it up. Now we give it IP address, which is 12, 12, 12, and 1, and 25. And that's it. And I want to give a interface loopback. I want to give the router interface loopback. Okay, so that's the first configuration for router 1, and the second configuration is for the router 2. And then we make the same, which is the first one is also the loopback. My bad. Is 2 IP add 2. Okay, and then we make the interface 2. You can see that this is where is it? Let me. You can see that this is the router 1. It's from interface 0, 0, and this is the interface from router 2 is 0, 0. And then we try to connect it. Okay, don't forget no SH. Let's add the same 25 is the subnet of 30. Yeah, and then after that, if you already connect that, it should be connected directly. If you try to ping, it should connect. Yep, it's already connected. So we already connected, but the router haven't connect. It's only connect by the interface. Let's see. If you try to ping the first router, it should be timeout. Yep, as you can see, that's already timeout. So the first thing you can do is to do the EIGRP configuration. You exactly don't need three router. I will show you how to make it only using two router first. So it's for the first one is router EIGRP for EIGRP1, and the network is 12 3 network. My bad, sorry. We use it. If you're already inside the router EIGRP, you need to use the wildcard of the subnet, and then no auto summary, and then we do the same. Network 3 and network, don't forget 2, and no auto summary. If you already done that, it should be already done for the EIGRP. If you try to do AP, yep, as you can see that it's already on. So that's the EIGRP. But if you try, uh, if you want to connect the third router, you just need to do the same, which is you make the interface first one. It's one because if you can see that it's also one at the topology here. It's one, and now we do no sh, which is no shutdown to open the interface from down to up, but in real server it's supposed to be already open right now at the newest version of the Cisco router server. And then we do IP add 23. Why I give 23? Because it's a example from router 2 to router 3, so you guys not that confused. And then we go to router EIGRP again, network, terminal network is true, and then if you already done it, now we go to router 3, which is we do the same conf, and then message IP add, and then don't forget the interface in the back.